Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm so happy to have you guys back. Today's tutorial is going to be a Valentine's look. And as you can see, it's just a baby soft pink color for that special day because love is in the air, obviously. So let's just get to our tutorial and get to this beautiful look. Okay guys, so we're starting off with our Amrezy palette, and the first color we're going to be using as a transitional shade is going to be this pink light shade called Wasted, and we're just going to be applying that into our lid. Okay, now we're going to be grabbing this color Reezy shade, and it's the hot pink shade, and we're just going to be placing that into our crease and blending. Okay, now I'm going to be grabbing my Shade Tip Concealer, and we're going to start cutting the crease. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing my NYX glitter in Rose, and we're going to be applying the glue into our lid where we cut the crease, and then we're going to just be adding that glitter into it as well. Okay, so I'm going to be placing the glitter into the lid. I'm going to be using my finger and placing it right there so I could just pat it and have more control of it. I love just doing this with my finger versus doing with the brush, because with the brush I feel like all that glitter just stays there, and then with my finger it could be more controlled. So I like using my finger for this. We're going to go back to the palette, and we're going to be grabbing the Reezy color, and we're just going to be going over where we applied the glitter, and we're just trying to sharpen that area up and just blend. Okay, so now we're going to start eyelining our eyes as well. I'm using my MAC brushstroke eyeliner, and I will be linking that down below as well, so you guys can check that out. And then we're just starting to go with our mascara afterwards. So I'm going to be grabbing my lash book from Celeste Los Angeles and I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, the lashes are on. So I did apply my eyeliner. I did use my LA Girl Shockwave Neon eyeliner. And as well, we are going back to our palette and we're going to be grabbing this color shade Semsa. And we're going to just be applying that into our lower lash line and just blending. Okay, so we're going to be taking off that setting powder and we're just going to be placing our bronzer. I'm going to be using the Beso del Sol from Frida. And as well, I'm going to be using my NYC blush as well. Be placing my liquid lipstick. It's gonna be the Megalast liquid Catsuit in Fleur Allure. These guys are so amazing. I've been using them lately. They are gorgeous. Now I'm going to be placing my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter into my Cupid's bow and my nose. So we're just going to be setting that makeup in place with our setting spray from Urban Decay. Okay guys, so this is a finished look of my Valentine's glam. I did get inspired by these beautiful carnations. They are gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and like this look for your Valentine's. I am hoping you guys have a wonderful Valentine's with your loved ones. So please like and subscribe and don't forget to push that notification for my next video. Bye!